How did we get here? You're wondering, how do we go from this to that? I got you. Don't worry. If you are African from West Africa, Liberia to be exact, you know what I'm about to do, right? I'm about to scrub this pot. It's much, much needed. It's overdue. I honestly feel like my mom is like, where did I go wrong? You didn't go wrong anywhere, mama. I just got a little caught up. Life in America is a little different. But anyways, back to base. Scrubbing this pot brought back a lot of memories, like a lot of childhood memories. Some were very bad, but most of them very good. It had me thinking about my childhood friends, the ones I lost contact with. I'm like, where are they? How is life treating them? I honestly hope life is treating them very, very well. You need sand to do this. I'm using Dawn because we're in America and I don't have the soap that I would normally use for this. It's called Kaba Clue. Kaba Clue is the business. And I'm also using pot scrubber. Let me know how you guys call it, but is that wire thing? That's a pot scrubber. I hope that's what it's called in America. I don't even know, but yeah. So your arms game have to be strong because you gotta scrub and scrub and scrub. The reason why my pot is this dirty is because I haven't washed it in years. Like when I say washed, I mean scrub. Let me just clear that. Obviously, I use the pot every day to cook, but I have not really scrubbed it like the way I'm doing today in years. It's so overdue. And did I say your arm game gotta be strong? It has to be because you're gonna consistently scrub, rinse it off, and see if it's clean to your liking, then scrub and rinse it off. This took me about an hour and 30 minutes. Again, I haven't washed the pot in years. I haven't scrubbed it in years. So yes. But it felt good. It felt really, really good. How is everyone doing? And if you're new here, my name is Melita. I'm so sorry. My name is Melita. On this channel, I do fashion. Oh, what do I do? I'm sorry. Listen, I do fashion, I review products, I do fitness and some lifestyle. And I get brain freeze too at times because I'm human, okay? Hey Don, if you see this, I'm using your soap and it's doing pretty good. So you wanna talk business? Hit me up. No, for real, yeah. Hope everyone is well, all the same. Um, let me know if you guys scrub your pot in your country. Leave me comment down below or just leave me your flag letting me know that you stand with me, you know what I'm doing, like this is not new to you kind of stuff. I appreciate it. Okay, so what I do is go into the sand and then scrub. So go back and forth into the sand and keep scrubbing then rinse it up, keep scrubbing and rinse it up, and that's what we're gonna be doing back and forth. And then I take the pot top. I know it's called pot, it's called lid, but it's in a pot top. Then I'm gonna scrub the pot top as well, doing the same thing. Do y'all see my biceps? No, for real. It was fun. It was really, really fun. It took me back to home and I gotta be back to being consistent on cleaning, like really dish scrubbing my pots. I have like two more to do, which I'm gonna do. I gotta buy some more pot scrubber though, so then I'm gonna do it. So that's what it's looking like with sand and everything on it, and we're gonna rinse it up. Do you see the pot top on the floor there? It's very nice and clean now. Yeah. Then I'm just gonna rinse it up, rinse it off, get all the sand off of it, and try to scrub a little bit more. I obviously can't do this in one day. I have to redo it again. But yeah, that's what I got. And oh, it looks like my pot is new again. Feels so good. I gotta be consistent now to clean it, and I'm gonna keep working on the bottom. All right, fam. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not yet. Hit that bell notification so you will not miss another video from me again. Bye.